welcome to the spoken tutorial on vitamin C rich cooked recipes. In this tutorial, we will learn about ways to avoid the loss of vitamin C from food, preparation of some vitamin C rich cooked recipes. We will first understand what is vitamin C and its role in the body. Vitamin C is an important water-soluble vitamin. It is required for various functions in the body. For example, healing wounds and maintaining healthy skin. It also helps in fighting infections and other diseases. Additionally, vitamin C enhances the absorption of iron in the body. Hence, adequate intake of vitamin C rich food in our daily diet is essential. Gooseberries, guavas, and citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C. Green leafy vegetables and other vegetables are additional sources. I will now tell you ways to avoid loss of vitamin C from food. It is to be noted that vitamin C is sensitive to heat and water. Cooking at high temperatures will destroy some amount of vitamin C in the food. Cooking in excess water and throwing that water causes a loss too. Thus, some points should be remembered while cooking vitamin C rich food. Do not overcook the food. Cook in minimum amounts of water. Do not discard the water after cooking. Avoid repetitive heating of food. Steam or saute the vegetables instead of boiling them. However, if boiling is required, then use the water for some other preparation. Do not throw it away. You may use the water for kneading a dough. You can also add it in curries and soups. Let us now look at the preparation of some vitamin C rich recipes. Our first recipe is stir-fry guava. To prepare this recipe, you need 150 grams or 1 semi-ripe guava, half lemon, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 to 3 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon oil or ghee. Use salt as per your taste. Procedure: wash the guava and cut it into small pieces. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds and curry leaves. When they start to crackle, add the chopped guava pieces. Add red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix everything well and saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Switch off the flame and squeeze some lemon juice. Sauteed guava is ready. 1 bowl of this recipe will give around 300 milligrams of vitamin C. Our next recipe is drumstick curry. For this recipe, you need 75 grams or 2 drumsticks, 2 tomatoes, half onion, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. The spices needed are 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. You will also require 2 teaspoons of oil or ghee and salt to taste. Procedure: wash the drumsticks thoroughly. Cut it into pieces. Remove the peel. Steam the drumsticks in a steamer. If you do not have a steamer, fill 1/4 of a cooking pot with water. Place a stand in it and keep a plate of drumsticks on the stand. Cover the pot and steam on medium flame for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grind onion and tomatoes in a mixer to make a smooth paste. Heat oil in a pan and add cumin seeds and ginger garlic paste. Once they start to crackle, add the onion tomato paste to it and stir it well. Then add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add the steamed drumstick pieces. Add 1/4 cup of water and cover the pan. Cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Drumstick curry is ready. 1 bowl of this recipe gives about 140 mg of vitamin C. The third recipe is amaranth leaves curry. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are 60 grams or 1/4 bundle of red amaranth leaves, 1 teaspoon grated gooseberry, half cup roasted gram flour, 1 small onion, 2 small tomatoes. Other ingredients required are half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili, 1/4 cup coriander leaves. The spices needed are half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. You also need salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil. Procedure: wash the amaranth leaves thoroughly and chop them. Take the chopped amaranth leaves in a bowl. Add salt, red chili powder, chopped green chili and grated gooseberry. Then add ginger garlic paste and roasted gram flour. Mix everything well. If required, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to bind the mixture. Make long rolls of this mixture. Steam the rolls on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. The procedure for steaming has been explained earlier in this tutorial. After steaming, keep the rolls aside and let them cool. Cut the rolls into medium slices. Meanwhile, grind the tomatoes in the mixer to make a smooth puree. Next, heat oil or ghee in a pan. Add chopped onions and saute it. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix well and then add the tomato puree. Let it cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the slices of amaranth leaves rolls and mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Garnish with washed and chopped coriander leaves. 1 bowl of this recipe gives about 98 mg of vitamin C. The last recipe is raw mango and split Bengal gram chutney. For this recipe, you need 3 tablespoons of split Bengal gram, half or 60 grams of raw mango, half tomato, 1 teaspoon grated gooseberry, 1 green chili, 1/4 cup or a handful of coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. Use salt according to your taste. You will also need 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Procedure: wash and soak the split Bengal gram in water for 4 to 6 hours. Then grind it along with green chili coarsely in a mixer or a stone grinder. Next, heat oil or ghee in a pan and add mustard seeds. Once they start to crackle, add the coarse paste. Mix it well and let it cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the flame and remove it in a bowl. Add grated raw mango and gooseberry to it. Then add chopped tomatoes along with washed and chopped coriander leaves. You can have this along with your meals. 2 tablespoons of this recipe will give about 40 milligrams of vitamin C. Note that vitamin C content of all these recipes is based on raw edible portions. Ensure adequate intake of vitamin C rich food in your diet for good health. Also remember the key points to avoid the loss of vitamin C from food. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining.